This is a review from J&M Reviews. This is the collection of the original Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles cartoons that aired in the late 80s and early 90s on television. This is a collection of over 20 DVDs that go through all the seasons that were given televised during the late 80s and early 90s of the original Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles cartoons, which is what made it famous and known worldwide and in mainstream. The quality of these DVDs and of the cartoons on these DVDs is excellent. It is really well done, really well preserved. And also, these hold bonus episodes from the European versions of the Ninja Turtles cartoons that were never aired here in the US. This is a must-have for any collector and for any fan of Ninja Turtles and of 90s or 80s cartoons. And it is something that is rare. It is many times very hard to find, but if you can find it available on Amazon, I highly recommend it for you to get it as soon as you see it, because it is really well done and a great collector's edition of one of the best cartoon series of the late 80s and early 90s.